What I do, I'm back with another video on how to make streetwear designs using only Photoshop and a DTF printer. Alright, so this week I have a design, but I really struggled for what I was going to do with the bottom half of it. So for this week's video, it's going to be just a short video just about how to do a clipping mask. Clipping mask is where you take words, like any kind of text, or really any design you want, and you put a layer over top of it to make it like have a pattern. Like for example, if you wanted this shirt to have like the American flag in it in the letters, you would have a clipping mask over, drag the American flag over it, clip that to where the American flag shows in the background. It's a lot easier to show you than explain it, so I'm just going to get right into the video.
Alright, so first thing we're going to do is open up a new page. My printer prints out 13 by 19, so I always do a 12.75 by 18 inch Photoshop page. So do that, start that off. Another thing, just make sure it's in CMYK, just to make it a little bit easier for the printer, so that way you know you're getting the colors that you're putting on the screen. Alright, so first thing, do some text. So always hired. Okay, and then I'm going to do the normal font that I normally use. Okay, let's do that. Art, Dystopia, okay. Alright, so make it a little bit bigger. Boo, boo, boo. Alright, just like that. Okay, now the next thing you're gonna do is get your bandana print. When you're doing clip layer, you want to make sure that whatever pattern you pick is going to be able to show up well on the text you have written out, or whatever you're using it for. So you can do, different shapes. I've seen people do like the shape of America and put the American flag in it, or something along them lines. Like something, you want to make sure that whatever pattern you're using, it's going to show up well on the side. So right here, this is a pretty small bandana print to where I think it'll show up pretty well. So let's go ahead and just use that. Actually, I think I have one downloaded. Let me just make sure. File. It's embedded. Let me see. It's gonna be way down here. Yep, right here. Place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just barely fit it over those words, just like that, just so it gets the most in there. Right? Now, all you want to do is rasterize the layer, put the mouse in between the two layers, click Alt, hold it down, and then you just click in between the two layers, and boom, there you go. As you can see, you got the bandana print right in there. Move it around a little bit inside of the word so you can get the best look for the print. Done. Alright. Another thing I've been working on is I've been working on an LA shirt, like a LA based theme shirt. That's where the bandana print came into play. So I'm going to show you how to take an image and swap it to where it's flipped and mirrored, because there's two ways you can do it. You can mirror the whole screen, or you can mirror just the layer, and sometimes it gets confusing. So in order to mirror the layer, this is what you have to do. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete that real quick. Alright. And I'm going to put in what I had for the L and the A, which is right here. Okay. Boom. There you go. Okay, so now this is just strictly for the sense of showing you guys how to do it. This is not my art. This is just a quick vector I got off of Google Images. Gotta rasterize it. See, I always forget that. Rasterize, boom. Alright. Now, this is going on a black t-shirt, so I obviously don't want it black. So, real quick way to fix that is Jeez whiz. Boom. Color overlay. Okay now. Alright. And boom. Now it's white. That easy. So you just go click on the layer, go to effects, go to color overlay, and you can actually change it to whatever color you want. If you want red, if you want blue, if you want to match this color right here, all you do is it automatically has this eyedropper. Once you pull up the color overlay, you just click right on there and you're done. So I want it to be white though, because I want it to stand out. So now that it's over and done with, and it's all colored in, you go back up to, make sure you have clicked on the layer, edit, transform, flip horizontal. Okay? Now, if you need it to flip the other way, you can do that too, which is vertical. So, it's that simple. Okay, so now when you're making a t-shirt and you have this, you can obviously do whatever you feel is best. Personally, I think that anytime you do any kind of wording, it should have a stroke around it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead, put a white stroke around it. I think that white stroke always makes everything look a little better. I just do a 10 pixel stroke. I think it makes a world of difference. Alright, now back to the LA thing. So we're gonna go ahead, shape this a little bit better. Drag this up there, and now it nicely says always tired. And it's that simple. That's clip masking. And just to show you how versatile this actually can be, right here I have the bandana and I have shape of America, and I'll show you, put the bandana over it just like I said, alt click and boom. So you can do that with any shape. Pretty versatile. Can use it for a lot of different things. Use it for any kind of text. Most of the time I use it for when I'm doing shirts, just for text, to give the text some kind of pattern or what have you. So yeah, that's pretty much sums it up.
So that's it for this week's video. Like I said, it was just going to be a short video to just show you all what I've been working on and hope that it helps somebody out there who's trying to figure out how to do that exact thing. If there's any other things you guys want to see, any specific tricks, please leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to help. Until next time, I'll see you next week.